want to work with me? While I no longer work with clients doing the day-to-day, that's only because it limited me from helping so many more design firms that I know need my help. Okay, I do still offer services, but everyone knows I'm a stickler for processes, and getting started with me is no different. My goal is to impact as many design firms by empowering interior designers and or their support teams with information they need to succeed in their respective job duties. We want to meet these business goals, and we can do that as I share my processes, tips, tricks, and studio designer knowledge. Okay, to get started, financial review bookings are $250 for non-members. Members enjoy a discounted rate of $150. With this review, you will provide your balance sheet, income statement, and sub-ledger reports, or your studio designer or other software login. From there, you will receive a video recap of your books along with any additional findings or questions. If you do not have existing books and require help with setup, we do offer packages for that as well. If you are a member and wish to do it yourself, you may want to check out our basic membership for those that wish to do it all themselves. You can then book help as needed for an additional reduced fee of $150 per hour. Cleanup, corrections, or updates require a $2,000 deposit towards billable time. Okay, we aim to make your books accurate. If you've completed your 2022 taxes, we'll ensure that the books align with these tax returns and confirm the accuracy for 2023. You can choose to handle the cleanup yourself with occasional calls billed against your deposit. A video recap of the final review of your books and processes will be provided at the end. And we can recommend an elite membership for ongoing book maintenance with direct access to our business line. Most businesses fall within this price range, and additional fees apply for billing time exceeding 10 hours. My membership page will show you all the perks and access details. With monthly membership, you'll enjoy regular book reviews, ongoing accounting support, process optimization and guidance, and priority response to your questions. The membership can be customized to meet your unique requirements at every step of the way. By following these steps, we can work together, clean up these processes, and streamline how you do business. Okay, my goal is to provide ongoing support through this membership plan. And if you have any other questions or specific topics you'd like to discuss, definitely leave me a comment or reach out. Thank you.